Hello, friends. Please read the disclaimer properly, okay? Because I'm not a SEBI registered person, and whatever I discuss in this channel is only for the purpose of education. Okay, let's move on to the Nifty analysis. Uh, After yesterday's end of the session, what we could see is that uh, it had the resistance zone here over here, and it was here also, and support was here, and which was created a day before yesterday. Okay, and it was there was an important level. So these zones were created around those level. And yesterday it did open above resistance and it tried to move in the up direction, but it wouldn't able to break out the major resistance level because around 25,650. Okay. So it did it hit that level and fallen from there. Okay. What happened is that if it really uh, wanted to move in the up direction, at least it should have moved, stayed above this resistance zone. But instead it did fall below this level and it closed below this resistance zone. Okay. So at the end of the day, what we will think that okay, maybe it is getting the resistance over here. Maybe it may continue to fall. Okay, if it doesn't want to move in the up direction and it has the enough strength to push the price downside. So it may open below this zone and we would have try to look for the downside momentum below this zone. Okay, this is the resistance zone. So below this zone, we would have expected the price to move in the down direction if it's fall below this one. Okay, this is the last resistance zone. Okay, in this down leg. But today what happened is that it has opened again above this resistance zone, and uh, so as per the opening, it is showing the strength, and today also it had made the higher high. So which means uh, right now it is not ready to move in the down direction. Okay, and also that it is getting the resistance. Okay, at 25,650. But before yesterday, it had shown the intention of moving in the down direction. Okay, that was also there. But yesterday and today, that whatever day before yesterday action has happened. So it is telling that okay, maybe right now I'm not in ready to move in the down direction. Okay, it is not ready to continue in the down direction. Okay, that is what yesterday's opening and today's opening action is telling. Okay, so unless price fall below this zone, this resistance zone. Okay, so we cannot expect the price to move. I mean, continue to trade in a down direction. Okay? So it's supposed to fall below this zone, and then it can gain the momentum, and it can continue to fall. Okay? So it will break this level also, and it will continue to fall. Okay, and it can come to this level. Okay. So right now, what's happening is that okay, it is yesterday also it did show the intention of moving in the up direction, and today also as per the opening. So it is telling that okay, I don't want to move in the down direction, but it may stay sideways or it can go in the up direction. Okay. So as per the chart analysis, what you could see is that so in the recent action, it has shown the major intention of moving in the down direction because you could see that it has hit this level one and it has moved upside and again it hit this level and again moved up. So you could see that that resistance, okay, the swing high is getting reduced. So which means maybe it is getting ready to break out this level and fall. Okay. But after all this action, again it is trying to open gap up and trying to move in the up direction. So with this, we'll take as per the opening analysis. So we'll consider that okay, uh, today. So as of now, it is not yet ready to move in the down direction. Okay. So as of now, it has made the high and also strong, and it is also above the resistance. So let price to build support above this level or take the support around this zone, because since it is a resistance zone, so if price falls below this, it will be difficult for price to move in the up direction. Okay, so it may get the resistance over it. So you could see yesterday also it has taken the resistance over it. This is support here, but still, even though support is here, so if price falls below this level, so this will act as the resistance, and it will be difficult for price to move in the up direction. So in that case, it price can go sideways. Okay. Uh, that is the thing. No? So, but as of now, we can't expect price to move in the down direction unless price fall below this level. Okay. So we'll see what will happen. But since it is showing the behavior in the both sides, so okay, it is also showing the intention of moving in the direction also at the opening, and but at the end of the day, it is showing the intention of moving in the down direction. Okay, because you see, yesterday also it has made the new day low. So it also suggests that okay, and trend of the day was also done. Okay. So it suggests that okay, maybe uh, price really want to move in the down direction. It's continue. It wants to continue in the down direction. Okay. Uh, but in the opening, it is telling that okay, I don't want to move in the down direction. I want to go in the up direction. So it's trying to open gap up, but it couldn't able to sustain it. Also, it try, but it got rejected sharply, and it has fallen. Today also it's open gap up, but it's falling. But we know there's a support over here. Okay, so it can take the support also. But unless it falls below this level, this zone, we can't guarantee that it will have a sharp fall. Okay. So as of now, we'll go with the sideways to upside momentum. So for that, we will look for the stocks which are in the up direction. Okay. So yesterday I had posted. Okay. Yesterday I had posted. So these are the stocks I have selected with Adani Entertainment, Hindalco, JSW Steel, Tata Steel, Titan. So these five stocks for the long trade. Okay. So why five stocks? Because four stocks were metal sectors. Okay. Metal sector stocks. Okay. Trent, Eternal, and SPI. So these three stocks are selected to look for a trade in the down direction. Okay. So if you go to analyze the stock, see what happened is that a metal stock has shown the big upside momentum. Okay, right? In spite of that nifty fall, so metal stock has shown its momentum in the up direction. Okay? It has shown this trend in the up direction. With this behavior, we expect metal stock to continue to move in the up direction if nifty also supports. Okay. Uh, so that we have taken the this stock. So here we could see that Adani, Adani Enterprises, so which has supported this okay, here around 2212. Okay, and there's a breakout level which is yesterday's high. So and one major level. Okay, because price has stuck in, in this zone. Okay, in this candle zone, price was stuck in this zone. Okay, so that's why this high and low mark. And there is support in this big candle which was last time uh, try to move in the up direction. So you could see that price had taken the support from that zone and continued to move. Okay, it has broken it. But yesterday it has created a new support zone, which is over here. So what we expect is that here what has to happen is either price has to break out this level and continue to move, or it can come and break in from here and it could to move the up direction. Okay. Uh, but since this is the level where price uh, acted as the resistance because the price got stuck in this zone. No? When the price comes here, we should be careful that it can also pose as a resistance. Okay. So otherwise, what will happen? Price will try to form the support here, new support, and then it will come from the trend, and then it will continue to move the other direction. Okay. So as of now, Adani Enterprises. So these are the levels to observe. Okay. This is the breakout level. Okay. And this is the breaking level. Okay. This is the medium level, which is not yet considered as any support. Okay. So it is still a resistance level, and if price has to move from this level, it has to confirm this level as the support. Okay. So unless it confirm as a support, we can expect the momentum from this level. Okay. Uh, it is good that if it doesn't fall below this level, so it is good. Okay. But for us to take a trade, price should form the support around this level. So otherwise, if it comes here, then you can directly look for the trade. So otherwise, here it is better to form the support and confirm the trend, and then you can expect the momentum from there. Okay. So it's the breakout limit. So once it breaks, you can look for the breakout trend, or if it comes here, you can directly take entry with a small confirmation. And if it has to move from this level, let it confirm the support and the trend, then you can expect the movement. This is alternative time. Then we have Hindalco here. As far as Hindalco is concerned, Hindalco had tried to move in the other direction, but it was hitting the resistance of this level. Okay. Yeah. So the gap is just created. So this level is acting as a resistance. You could see that after opening here, it has fallen. And again, yesterday also it hit this level and it got rejected from there. Okay. So as of now, since its level is acting as a resistance, then you can expect a proper move only above this level. Unless price break this level and move above, so I don't think we can expect a good move. So otherwise, since there's a support here in this zone, okay. So there's a support zone here. If price comes here and try to take the support, then we can expect the price to move from this level. Otherwise, it can also move from here. So if it has to move from here, let it form the support and confirm the trend, and then we can expect. Okay. So this is the breakout. Okay. And this is the support momentum. And here, if it has to move, it has to confirm the support and trend, then we can expect. Okay. So we have levels, and we know we know the direction also. So let's see what we do. And when it comes to JSW Steel also, with respect to JSW Steel, what happened is that it has not formed any this one. But you could see that price has tried to form the support buying zone over here. Okay, you could see here this buying zone, and here also buying zone, and here also buying zone. Okay. This one actually you could okay, okay, this was not there because this was already before. So here also it has tried to form the buying zone. Okay, so price also opened above that level as of now. So if it has to move, it can take the support from this level and can move. Otherwise, it has to break out this level and move after it. Okay. Or else it has to come to this zone and form the support. It has to come to this level and form the support and confirm the trend, and then it can move. Okay. So otherwise, since there is a buying zone over here, so it will try to move in the up direction. This is the okay. So let's see the weapon. So it is trying to take the support. Could see it as with the 5 minutes candle low and move into move the up direction. Okay. So if you get any opportunity to take the entry, you can take the entry in the vegetable stream because it has it's at the support zone. Okay. And when it comes to Tata Steel. Okay. Tata Steel also same. It has a buying zone over here. Okay. Uh, so here you can expect the price to take the support and let's see if it give any entry over here. We can take it. Okay. And so if it has to move, it has to break out. The price has to break out. This is a breakout level where it has to break this level and with a resistance response, we can look for that. Right? Otherwise, this is a support zone. So since it is the support zone, trend is also up, we can look for the entry directly with any one of the or entry method. Okay. So we have JSW Steel and Tata Steel, which are at the support zone. So we can put trade in JSW Steel, Tata Steel right now. Okay. And it's also this one, Titan company. So this one also trying to move in the up direction. Okay, so it is there is a level which was acted as a resistance. While is trying to break that resistance. So you could see that it has made one attempt to break that level and it has fallen and again now the second time is trying to move. Okay. So here what we could see is that okay, this is the buying zone. Okay? So price is at the buying zone. So here it can take the support if we see any uh, entry okay, available. So as per our method, we will look for the entry. Okay. So if we don't get any entry, then we have to wait for the price to break out. Okay. So but since the opening itself it has come to the support zone and trying to take the support, you could see that it has found the support also. So now we'll see with our any entry method if we can get the entry, we'll take that. Okay. So I'm trying to take the trade in the up direction because Nifty has shown the intention of moving the up direction. You could see that Nifty also builds a support over here and it is trying to move in the up direction. Okay. Uh, so these are the stocks we have uh, for the trade. Okay, in the up direction. Right now we have Titan, JSW Steel, and Tata Steel, which are at our level now. We'll see if we get any entry. We'll take it. So otherwise, for the downside, we have trend. Okay. So if trend has to fall, it was supposed to break out this level and continue to fall. So otherwise, if it has to fall from this level, it has to form the uh, resistance and also it has to confirm the trend. Then we can expect the fall from this level. Otherwise, it will come to this resistance zone and it can fall from there also. This is the these are the levels and zone for the trend to move in the direction and also uh, for eternal. Okay, this is also in the downside. Okay. So it has to move. See, this is the zone. Okay, from where can take the resistance and it can fall. And this is the level where breakout has to happen and price has to move. If it has to continue to fall in the down direction, price it should break out this level and continue to move in the down direction. But as of now, what you could see is that it has stuck in between this zone and this level. We'll see what will happen. And SPL also. Okay. As for SPL also, this is the breakout level. So this is the resistance zone, and this is the level where it can also continue, form the resistance and confirm the trend and pass. Okay, so we can observe that. Okay, we have three zones. Okay, where price has to we can directly take the entry, and where it has to confirm the trend and also confirm the either resistance or the support with respect to the direction you are expecting it to move. Okay, so we'll also have one breakout. Okay. So if price really want to move, either it will break out or it will try to break in, okay, or it will form the new resistance or support, and then it will move in the direction that it wants to move. Okay, so these are the things as per opening. Okay, uh, so as of now, since we are expecting price to stay sideways, sorry, Nifty to stay either sideways or to move in the up direction, so we are going long. Okay, so we'll see what will happen. Uh, if price Nifty uh, stays below the day high, okay, if by chance Nifty stays below the day high, then we can also look for a trade in the down direction also. Okay, so day high or day open. Okay, if it price try to stay below the day open, okay, which is the first feminist candle high, this open. Okay, if price try to stay below this zone, then we can say that okay, maybe there are sellers, who are still active, okay, over there in the yesterday session. So there you can say that okay, the sellers are trying to come into the action. Then we can look for a trade in the down direction. So otherwise you'll go with long. So for that we have JSW Steel, Tata Steel, and Titan, Adani Enterprises, Hindalco, and JSW Steel. Okay. This is the part one of today's analysis. So I will come with the second video. If I get any trade, and we'll come and discuss that. Okay. So bye.